Is that funny, Iris?
Push your milk in a little bit. Closer to the shelf. There you go.
Who's that? Can I do that?
Uh-huh. Oh, you put your hand over it, yeah.
Oh, I want to show you a panoramic I took from the Tin Wiz Beach.